Hi Piyush, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Hello, sir. Good evening. I'm doing well. How are you?
I am also doing good, thank you. So, welcome Piyush to this feedback session. For the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Piyush Jha with us today. He has recently undergone multi-track training program here at I-MEDITA. It is one of our job-oriented training where we prepare students from the industry point of view into networking and security domain. So he was a part of that program, and today he got opportunity with one of the organization as a network engineer. Hi Piyush, welcome again, and let's get started. So first of all, many heartiest congratulations for getting your first job as a fresher. So how it feels like?
Thank you, sir. And I'm very thankful to you, Shruti ma'am and Pooja ma'am, and all the entire team of I-MEDITA for assisting me to score this job. And I'm feeling absolutely amazing.
It is all your effort, it's all your dedication. We are just a medium to provide that training, provide those resources and environment. It's all your dedication.
Yes,
I
sir.
would like to start with this question. You enrolled here in I-MEDITA for this multi-track training program. In that program, we include CCNA, we include CCNP Enterprise, network security classes, then dedicated Palo Alto classes, and then there are dedicated some interview preparation and personality development classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How was your experience and how much time you were spending during this program, including your classes, your labs, your self-study, revision on a daily basis? How much time you were spending and how was your overall experience during this program till now?
So my overall experience was really amazing. All the entire faculty member and the training member, they were really helpful. Whenever I used to get stuck in any point, they used to really assist me uh, and providing me time from their busy schedule. And I was studying about 4 to 5 hours, like 2 hours classes and 2 hours from myself and 2 hours for the lab regularly basis. And for the interview, I used to spend more time in studying, and I was able to score.
Okay, great. Uh, you enrolled here in this particular course couple of months back. What motivated you to join iMedita? There are many online providers, there are many other institutions as well. Why you opted for iMedita only?
Sir, I researched for the cybersecurity and networking course in Pune, and iMedita had very high reviews on the internet, and I also personally asked few of my friends here. Uh, they were studying here, and they suggested me that it is a great place to study networking and cybersecurity, and it will be really helpful for a fresher to find a job here.
Okay. And are you satisfied with the classes you have got from our side, the services which you have got from our side, the training and the other aspects of the training which you have undergone here? Are you satisfied with all those services?
Yes, sir. I'm very satisfied by the training, and I'm really thankful to iMedita for helping me.
Okay. From which all instructors to you took your classes and how was your experience with those instructors?
Yes, sir. For CCNA, my instructor was Sudhanshu Bhatt, sir, and he really helped me in clearing concepts, basic concepts of networking, and which helped me to grow my networking foundation really strong. And for CCNP and core, Vikas Nichal sir was my trainer, and he also explained everything, every single point in really minute detail, and helped me to clear my concepts. And also helped me by explaining scenario based questions which are uh, held in enterprises. And for NRC, Vikas sir was there, and same he explained everything and every point in detail. And for network security, Mr. Baldev sir, he was also very good at his teaching. He explained every point in details. And for CES, Yuvraj Singh sir, he was also very good at teaching us and training us in cybersecurity.
You also attended PD classes and interview preparation classes by Shweta madam?
Yes, sir. I was attending the PD classes. Recently, it was finished last month, and it really helped me to build my confidence, boost my confidence, to face the interviews and crack the interview.
Great. Also, I am sure when you enrolled here in iMedita a couple of months back,
Yes, sir.
before enrollment, you must have certain expectation that this is what I am going to get,
Yes.
this is what lab I am going to learn.
Yes.
practicals I'm going to perform, trainers wise, services wise. So today, when you have completed this course and got a job in your hand, were we able to met those expectations which Piyush was having before beginning the course here?
Yes, sir. I-MEDITA really, even it exceeded my expectation, which I was expecting, and everything was perfect.
Great. So, based on your experience here at I-MEDITA,
Yes.
how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
Sir, I will rate it 10 out of 10, sir.
Okay. You got all the required study material, notes, handouts, other
Yes.
reference material?
Yes, sir. I have received all the handouts.
Okay. Today, how confident you are feeling in terms of knowledge? You have spent couple of months here learning all the labs, spending 4 5 hours every day. So, in terms of knowledge, in terms of overall readiness for the interviews, how confident you are today?
Sir, I am quite very confident about the knowledge. I would rate myself from intermediate to advanced level on the basis of knowledge. If anybody asks me the basics of the networking or the cybersecurity, I'm sure that I'll be able to explain them in detail and with clarity.
Okay. How many interviews you have given till now?
Sir, it was my first interview,
Okay,
like
great.
rightly.
This was your first interview.
Yes, sir.
Great. It's really amazing, and when you get opportunity in the first interview itself,
Yes.
your confidence automatically gets boosted up. So
Yes, sir.
it's all your hard work, it's all your dedication, and
Thank you,
you
sir.
have got what you deserved.
Thank you.
What kind of interview questions were asked to you during this interview?
So during the interview, questions were about intermediate to advanced level. Mostly they were scenario-based questions, but it was almost like the uh, the topics that were taught in our training. It was about the same, and interviewer was mostly checking our clarity of the concepts for networking, mostly from CCNP, Encore, and NRC.
Okay, okay, great. Would you recommend our training courses to your other friends as well?
Sir, I would highly recommend this course to my friends if they are searching for career in networking and cybersecurity field.
Okay, great. Thank you for this particular
Welcome.
comment. Any suggestion, any feedback from your end to us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
Sir, I think I-MEDITA is doing great. I don't think I have any suggestion for I-MEDITA. They know they are doing really well. They are best at their job.
Great. Thank you, Piyush. Thank you for giving us
Thank you,
your
sir.
valuable time. We wish you all the very, very best. This being your first job, do as much as hard work you can, learn as much as you can.
Yes,
If
sir.
certain modules are pending here at I-MEDITA, try to cover those modules whenever you have week offs. Try to support your seniors as a junior in your company and
Yes, sir.
keep yourself updated in these areas and keep revising your concepts as well.
Yes,
And
sir.
all the best once again for your this
Thank
first
you,
job
sir.
as a fresher. Okay, and God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.